How to change your address on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your address on Amazon. Now, the process itself is simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to change your address on Amazon, first you can open up your Amazon application. You can get the Amazon shopping application on your Play Store. You can simply go ahead and open it up. If you want to do it on browser, you can do it there as well. So once on Amazon, at the bottom you'll be able to see various icons, right? You can see 5 different icons there. At the bottom in the middle, you can see there the profile icon. So you want to tap on the profile icon there in the middle at the bottom. Once you do so, at the top you'll be able to see 4 different options. You can see your orders, buy again, your account, and your list. You want to simply tap on your account option there. Once you do so, you'll simply find these various options. You'll simply scroll down and then head into the option that says account settings there. Under account settings, you shall be able to see various options there, and you want to locate the option that says your address. As you can see here right on the screen, you want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it now, you'll be able to see your personal address that's already there. You want to simply tap on edit and go ahead and edit the address there, or you can simply tap on add a new address and you can go ahead and add a new address. So this way you can change your address on Amazon. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.